11.3 Arithmetic Progression. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a progression or number sequence that we uh, add a common difference repeatedly. Okay, repeatedly. So, for example, we have 3, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay, this what we do is we add 2, okay, continuously, repeatedly. Okay, so for the uh, arithmetic progression, Tn is a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so a is what? A is the first term. Okay, a is the first term. Okay, d is the common difference. Okay, common difference. So for example, for this case, the value of a is 3. D is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so let's say I want to find the fifth term. I know the fifth term is 11. So the fifth term is 3 plus 5 minus 1 and 2. So 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, why? Uh, uh, how can we get this common difference? Okay, is we have the 3 actually is 3 plus 1 minus 1 times 2. 5 is 3 times 2 minus 1 times 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 or 1 times 2, 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 is 3 plus 3 minus 1 times 2, and so on. So we have the Tn is 3 plus n minus 1 times 2. Okay, so this leads us how to derive the formula for Tn. So we have a as the first term. Then the next term is a plus d. Then we plus d again is a plus 2d. And then a plus 3d and so on. Okay. So a plus d, a is actually a plus 1 minus 1 times d. This is the first term. Second term is a plus d, that is a plus 2 minus 1 plus times d. And then the third term is a plus 2d, then a plus 3 minus 1 times d. Fourth term, a plus 3d, then a plus 4 minus 1 times d. Okay, so we can see that the 1 1 here, 2 2 here, 3 3 here, 4 4 here. So we can conclude in general that the n term is a plus n minus 1 times d. Work example number 6. They want us to find the number of terms in the AP. So for this one, you know that the first term a is negative 17. D is the second term minus the first term, that is negative 14 minus negative 17. Then it is 3. Okay, so for this one, to find the value Tn for 58 is not difficult lah. So I can in the exam even I if I want I can do it manually lah. But since I'm using my computer, then I can use the computer to uh, do this. So the first term is negative 17, negative 17, negative 14, and then negative 11, okay, and so on. So Excel will help you to calculate all the next value. So 58, number 26 is 58. So you just highlight and then drag it. Okay, so 26. So I know that this is actually the 26th term. Okay, so I know the answer is 26 lah. Okay, in the exam you do it manually also not difficult one. We have the -17, -14, -11, -8, -5, and then -2, 1, plus 3, 4, 7, 10, and you do until the uh, 26, then you will get 58 lah. Okay, so this one we call it Tn. So Tn is 58. That is the last term now. So Tn is what? We know that Tn is a plus n minus 1 times d. So a is -70, 17, n minus 1 times d is 3, is equal to 58. Okay, so some student may like to expand this one to find the value of n. But normally I don't do that. I will do it this way. I move -70 to the other side. So I have an n minus 1 times 3 equal to 6075. Okay. Then n minus 1 equal to 75. So we have the 58 plus 17, then 75. Divide by 3 is 25. Then the n equal to 26. Okay. So divide, then minus becomes plus. So the answer is 28. So if I want to check the answer, so the T26 is 3 plus 26 minus 1 times 3. And this one is -17, not 3, -17. So -17 plus 25 times 3, 58, equal to 58. The fifth term of AP is this, and the ninth term is this. Find the common first term and the common difference. So they want us to find A and B. So the fifth term is 4.4, and the ninth term is 7.6. Okay. So we know that fifth term is, we know that Tn is A plus n minus 1 times D. 5 minus 1 is 4. So A plus 4D equal to 4.4. A plus 8D equal to 7.6. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Then I use equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Then we have 4D equal to 7.6 minus 4.4. Then it is 3.2. Then the D is 0.8. And next we sub D equal to 0.8 into equation number 1. Then A plus 4 times 3.2 equal to 4.4. And A equal to 4.4 minus 4 times 3 times 3.2. 4.4 minus, no, this is 0.8. 0.8. Then it is 1.2. Okay, so here we get the answer already. So the first term, okay, so the first term is 1.2, and then the common difference D is 0.8. So common difference equal to 0.8. Okay, first term common difference. Okay, so we can check the answer. So 0.8, first term is 1.2. Okay, then we plus 0.8, then it's 2.0, then 2.8, and then 3.6, 4.4, Yes, 4.4 is correct already, no? And then 0.8, 3.2, 4.0, 4.8, and then wait, 4.4, this is 5.2, okay, 4.4, and then 5.2, 6.0, 6.8, 7.6. That is correct. So we can also find it, check answer using this way. That is, we have the A equal to 1.2, D equal to 0.8. So the fifth term is 1.2 plus 5 minus 1 times 0.8. So 1.2 plus 4 times 0.8. And this is 4.4. Okay, and then the ninth term is 1.2 plus 9 minus 1 times 0.8. Okay, so we have this one 8. This is 7.6. Okay, so this one we are using formula to solve it. Okay, if you don't solve using formula, okay, this question, if you ask a primary school student, they, even the primary student can do. So this is 4.4, fifth term, 6, 7, 8, and then 7.6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the difference between these is 7.6 minus 4.4, then is 3.2, 3.2 here. So this is 7.6 minus 4.4 equal to 3.2. 4D equal to 3.2, then the D is 0.8. Then we minus 0.8 lah. So minus 0.8, this is the fifth term. So fifth term 4.4 minus 0.8, this is the third term. And then minus again second term, first term. No, the first term, 1.2. Yeah. Work assignment number 5. The n term is this. So we have the Tn equal to 11 minus 3n. So they want to find the first term. So T1 is 11 minus 3 times 1. Then we have 8. Then they want us to find the common difference. So to find the common difference, D, we can use the second term minus the first term. So we find the second term. Second term is 11 minus 3 times 2. Okay, then it is 5. Okay. Even we can find the third term minus the second term now. Okay. So third term is 11 minus 3 times 3. Then we have 2. So you observe 8, 5, 2. Actually, they are minus 3. Okay. So the D is actually T2 minus T1. That is 5 minus 8 equal to negative 3. Or we can find that D is T3 minus T2. Then is 2 minus 5. Then is negative 3. So for the sum of AP, I will record in another video.